Wow! Aw! Huh? Ew! Yikes! Hi, welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today we're going to talk about interjections. In fact, you will learn 25 useful interjections to improve your English conversations. Many times when speaking with native English speakers, you will hear short words being used. Words that don't necessarily have a direct meaning, but are used in conversation to express the speaker's feeling. These words are called interjections. Knowing how to use interjections is very helpful for you to improve your English conversation skills and sound more fluent in English. My favorite interjection is wow. Wow usually expresses surprise, and it can be used to show positive surprise or negative surprise. If I see something that really makes me feel shocked, I might be, wow, that's amazing. Or if I think it's terrible, wow, that's awful. Secondly, let's take a look at a few really common interjections which are used to express your joy and happiness. Woohoo! Hooray! Yeah! These are interjections that are used to show that you are really happy or joyful about something that has happened. Hooray! That's awesome! Good for you! Woohoo! The Blue Jays won their match today! Yay! You passed your driver's test! That's great! Thirdly, let's take a look at some interjections to express your pleasure or your satisfaction or your happiness or pride in someone's achievements. We can often just say things like nice, good, great, awesome, terrific, wicked, bravo, marvelous. Number 4, if someone is confused, there are 3 interjections that are common to use. Huh? Or what? Or eh? A is a very Canadian interjection, which I'll talk about a little bit more at the end of this lesson. But if someone says something and you are confused or you want them to repeat, if you don't worry about being polite, huh? Or what? Interjection number 5 is for pain. If you hurt yourself, people usually say ow or ouch. So ow and ouch are 2 great interjections to show that you are in pain. Number 6, we have 2 interjections, oh no and uh-oh. So uh-oh and oh no are both used when a mistake has been made and you want to show you're alarmed or slightly upset about the mistake or accident. Oh no, I forgot my keys inside the car and the dog is in there. Uh-oh, what am I gonna do? For less serious accidents or mistakes that happen, we can use interjections from number 7. Shoot, or oops, or don't. If you make a mistake in spelling and you lose marks on your test, don't, that was such an easy mistake. Why did I do that? Or maybe you drop something on the ground. Oops. For number 8, we have 3 interjections which show that you are surprised by what someone said and you're sort of in disbelief. You don't believe them and you want them to give you more information. Seriously? Really? And get out. Get out. Seriously? Really? So we use these expressions to show that we are surprised by what the other person is saying and we don't really believe them. Interjection number 9 is This is the sound people make in English when they are thinking about something. Rather than just having a long span of silence, people go when they want to think about something. Sometimes people also use as a way of hesitating. They want to answer, but they're not sure if it's appropriate. So, Interjection number 10 is Phew. Phew. We use this interjection to express the fact that something smells bad. Phew, what stinks? Number 11 is ew or yuck. This can be for a bad smell as well, or it can be if something tastes bad or just you see a picture that you think is nasty. Ew, Yuck. Interjection number 12 is a positive interjection. If you are eating some really delicious food, we might say yum or yum. This is delicious. This is so good. Yum, you should make this for me more often. Interjection number 13 is meh. Meh is used when you don't really care about something. If someone's telling you something and they're really excited and you really don't care, meh. Or if someone asks you your opinion on something and you don't think it's really terrible, but you also don't think it's terrific and awesome, you can say meh. Number 14 is whoa. We use whoa when we are surprised by something, and we also sort of use it as a warning, like be careful, what is this? This is bad, it could be dangerous, whoa. I might also use this if I'm kind of a little bit scared. If I'm in a car with someone and they just ran through a red light, whoa, the light was red, didn't you see that? Interjection 15 is yikes. Yikes. We use this expression to show a little bit of shock, but mostly disapproval, like we think something is really bad. Yikes. You went to school wearing those clothes? Yikes. Yikes. I can't believe he did that. Number 16 is aww. Aww. We use aww to show that we think something is really cute, or we think that someone's behavior is really kind and that person is really sweet. So I often use this if I see a really cute dog. I'll go, aw, that dog is so cute. Or if my husband does something really kind for me, like giving me a nice massage, I might say, aw, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Interjection number 17 is brr. Brr. We use this when we are cold. In Canada, winter is coming, and in the winter time, you hear many people going, brr. Number 18 is, oh well. Oh well. Oh well is used to show that you don't agree with something, you disapprove of it, it's not your best choice, but you accept the circumstances anyways, or you want the other person to accept the situation even though it is not ideal. Oh well, what can you do? It's sort of saying like, yeah, it is what it is, or it can't be helped. Number 19 is phew. And oftentimes when people use this interjection, they might go, phew, like they're wiping sweat off their brow. So this interjection is used in two ways. The main way it's used is to show your relief at something. You think something bad might happen, but whew, we're safe. If I have a big presentation to do at work, but I didn't finish planning the presentation, so I'm really nervous, but then the meeting where I was supposed to do the presentation gets canceled, whew, how lucky am I? Sometimes this interjection is used to express the fact that it is really hot. Whew, it's hot out here. Number 20 is hallelujah. Hallelujah. This interjection means that you are really happy and rejoicing and joyful about something. Like yes, or finally, or oh yeah, that's good. Traditionally, hallelujah is an expression that is used in churches as a way of rejoicing and praising God. But outside of church, this is still often used as an interjection to show that people are happy about something. For example, maybe someone had cancer and they're waiting on test results to see if their cancer has cleared up, and they get the results, they are cancer-free. Hallelujah, yes! Interjection number 21 is ooh la la. We use this as sort of a humorous way to express the fact that we think something is fancy or gorgeous. For example, if your friend buys a new Porsche or Lamborghini and you see their car, ooh la la, look at that car. Or maybe your other friend buys a really beautiful ball gown. Ooh la la, you look good. Or if your date takes you to a really fancy restaurant, ooh la la, this is a nice place. Interjection number 22 is ah. Ah can be said in many different ways to express a variety of emotions. If someone is talking to you and you want to show, okay, yes, I understand, you can just say ah or ah, ah. If you're disgusted by something, you can also use ah and be like, ah, ah. If I'm able to lay down after standing up all day and working hard, my response might be, ah. Sort of like a sigh. Or you get to relax in a nice bubble bath. Ah, ah, this is good. Ah could also be used if you're angry or frustrated. Ah, what is wrong with this computer? So as you can see, the interjection ah can have many different meanings based on the emotion that you use when saying it. Interjection number 23 is da. Da. This interjection is used to express the fact that you think what someone has said is really stupid, or you think what they're trying to explain is very obvious. It can be a little bit rude to use this interjection, so make sure you only use it with people who you are close to. For example, if it's wintertime and it's really cold, and someone says to me, do you think I should wear a jacket outside? It looks like it's snowing. I might just look at them and say, duh. Like, it's obvious. Of course you should wear a jacket. It's cold and snowing. Number 24 has a couple interjections which are rude. The interjections that I'm going to introduce to you are interjections you use when you really don't care about what the other person is saying. So if someone's talking and talking, so, or so what, or and, this interjection is similar to, why are you telling me this? I don't care. And, so. My mother's favorite interjection that has the same purpose as so is whoop-de-doo. So whoop-de-doo means I really, really do not care about what you just told me. Whoop-de-doo. Number 25 is A. I am Canadian, eh? So there's a lot of different ways that here in Canada we use the interjection A. One of the main ways we use A is to sort of make a tag question, looking for agreement that the other person has understood what we're saying. Oh, nice weather, eh? That test was difficult, eh? The food at that restaurant is delicious, eh? As I mentioned earlier in the lesson, another way that we use A is if we don't understand what someone has said. Then we can just look at them and go, eh? Another way we use A in English is sort of a way to check that the other person is listening to what we are saying, and we use it because we want them to acknowledge that they've heard and understood. I was drinking a double-double, eh? And this homeless guy just came up to me and stole my drink. The reason why I said A in that sentence is because I want the person to show some acknowledgement and comprehension that they are familiar with the topic in my conversation. If you'd like to learn more about A and double-double and some other Canadian slang, please check out a video I've made about that over here. So today, you have learned more than 25 different common interjections that are used in English conversations. I hope that you can use these interjections naturally when you are speaking English. And now it's time for Question of the Day. Today's question is, tell me about a time that you have used or heard some interjections in English. What did you hear or use, and what was the situation? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, eh? If you liked it, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou and give this video a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.